Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options, and here we've got the networks divided between two different categories. So we've got mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Basically resetting them looks the same. Simply tap on the option, tap on reset settings, here confirm everything, tap on reset settings again, and the mobile network settings are reset. The same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, just tap on it and tap on reset. It's even easier. We've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.